Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve. How are you? Alright, today's video we're gonna do a skincare review, and this time we're gonna review the Ordinary Skincare. First, I want to say thank you so much, Ordinary Skincare. Send me those two products for me to try and experience, and I can't wait to share with you guys my thought on this budget-friendly skincare. So if this is the first time you discover my YouTube channel, hello, welcome. I'm Steve Jan. I'm a 50 years old skincare expert. I have over 30 years experience working in the cosmetic industry in the USA, and that's why made me an expert in skincare education and skincare recommendations. If you want to know more about skincare, how to look young, stay younger, definitely follow my YouTube channel over here and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you know the day and the time I release my video. Alright, so let's talk about the Ordinary Skincare product. Ta-da! They sent me two products. They sent me the Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5, and they also sent me the Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1%. A little bit about Ordinary Skincare. This is definitely one of the best budget-friendly skincare products, and the price is very, very affordable. And later on, we're going to talk about why I think they are so affordable. And then when you think about, oh my god, if it's so inexpensive, if it's really going to work on my skin, so I want to really kind of dive in a little bit deeper too. One thing about Ordinary, it's really focused on skincare ingredients, and there's not a lot of built-in other ingredients, but also known as a filler. And so it's a very straightforward skincare product. The good thing about that is it's straightforward. The bad thing about that is that you kind of need to know what each ingredient do before you buy the product. Otherwise, you will not know what is this for. So you got to be very careful. Always read the package, do a little research. So this way you know the ingredient you're using is really what you need. Niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. What are these two ingredients do for the skin? Hyaluronic acid is a hydrating ingredient. So what it means is that when you apply hyaluronic acid treatment on top of the skin, it basically will seal what's beneath the skin. Skin hydration will be sealed down, and whatever you put on top will hold it and absorb into the skin, so continue hydrate the skin. That's hyaluronic acid. Niacinamide is a great ingredient to strengthen your skin barrier. So what that means is that it helps the skin cells to be tighter, stronger together in the base. So this way, when they reproduce a new skin cell, will be healthy. See, what happened, the skin is very unique. When your mother cell, which is right beneath the skin, when they've been damaged or being stressed out, when they reproduce the new cell, it's not going to be strong and healthy. Then you're gonna have a different skin conditions. So that's why it's very important to have strength your skin barrier. So this way your skin cell can continue to produce a healthy skin cells. This is 30 ml, 1 ounce. So you're probably thinking, wow, how can they make it so inexpensive? Well, I can tell you why. They make a lot of quantity. And if you look at this, all the packaging is the same. So all they need to do is just order large quantity about this bottle, and they just put a sticker over it. So this way they can lower the cost down. So there's not a lot of fancy packaging in there. And as far as the ingredient goes, simple ingredient, there's not a lot of filler inside, so they can make a price much more cheaper. And not to mention, this is a global brand. So any big company like this, they can make the price much more lower. Okay, so now you know. Now let's look at the Niacinamide first, okay? This is a water-based serum. So what is a water-based serum? Let me show you right here. When you apply this to skin, it's gonna feel very watery, and then it's just kind of easier to absorb into the skin. It's not true water-based because they do have other ingredients make the product feel a little bit more slippery, okay? But you still absorb very quickly. There's really no scent in there. It's very, very lightweight. All skin type can use this treatment. Once you apply, it just kind of absorb into the skin. And how often you should be using Niacinamide? I always talk about this. It's really about your skin concerns and conditions. Say that your skin is going through a lot of trauma and stress right now, and you really want to strengthen your skin to be healthier, then you probably want to use twice a day. Now it just completely absorb. That texture is gone, just kind of makes skin very, very smooth. And then if you don't really have any major skin conditions or concerns, you can just use once a day. So skincare is something that you pick and choose when is the best time to use. Remember that. So this is great to layer with other serum, and also definitely when you wear this, you still want to put on your moisturizer on top. A lot of people ask, well, if I use a serum, and why do I need to use moisturizer on top? Well, serum is help you to address very specific skin concerns and conditions, and the moisturizer is help to seal all the good ingredients beneath the skin. It's more like a barrier on top, so seal everything, hydrate the skin throughout the day. That's why you need moisturizer. So this is a very lightweight serum, can use twice a day or once a day, all about your skin concern condition. So niacinamide, the benefit besides to strengthen your skin barrier, it also help to brighten the skin. So again, how they do it is by strengthen the skin barrier, make your skin healthy in the base, so the skin cell will exfoliate faster, and then the ingredient will brighten the skin, so your skin will give a more brighter looking skin. So that's what this do for the skin. Okay, the next product I want to show you, hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. So I know that I used this before, so I know the product pretty well. They both water based, so when it's water based, you can just layer them together if you want to get the best result. And when you apply this, it also give you that slippery texture. Again, no smell, and at first feels slippery, but then once you apply, it just kind of absorb. It doesn't feel anything. It's a little sticky right now. It'll take about a minute to absorb. It absorbs really, really fast. So this is all about hydration. If you see some fine lines or wrinkles, feel dehydrated, hyaluronic acid is a great ingredient for that. So now it's all completely absorbed, right? Now, if you're gonna layer those two products, which one should be going on first? Well, since they both water-based, so it doesn't really matter which one to go on, but I feel like since hyaluronic acid will hydrate the skin first and seal what's on top, I will prefer use hyaluronic acid first, followed by the niacinamide. Let me tell you why. For skincare to work, okay, you need to make sure that your skin is super hydrated. When your skin is feel dehydrated, the skincare treatment won't deliver the job. So you really want to hydrate the skin first. So on that note, if you hydrate the skin first and putting in other treatment product, they will absorb quicker. But please know that when you layer the treatment, you will feel a little bit texture on the skin, and depends the texture that they create. Sometimes can feel a little bit more rich, sometimes doesn't feel anything. So this is both water based, so you will feel a little tacky a little bit at first, but give a minute so they're all gonna absorb into the skin, so skin will feel smooth and soft, doesn't feel heavy at all. And I want to give you a little tip here right now. I think you're gonna find this very helpful. So we have the hyaluronic acid here, right? If you have any old foundation, that foundation has been like for a little bit longer, kind of dry out a little bit, you can put a little drop of hyaluronic acid treatment in the foundations, and your liquid foundation will be just reactivated like that because it's hydrated foundations, and when you apply that, skin will give you more like a tinted moisturizer look, so you can use this multi-purpose. I want to give a little tip right here. Whatever you put on your face, okay, don't forget to stain down to your neck and your décolleté area, because this is all skin. If you take care of your face but you forgot to take it by here, you're gonna get lines or wrinkle right down, which is not very cute at all. So this is the review for today. I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you know the day and the time I release my video. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!